Hi everyone, here with the REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and after making sure that you're on the photo mode, let's tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. Right in the middle we've got the timer icon, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and after one tapping you can set the 3 seconds delay, and after tapping again you can set 10 seconds delay. Let's tap again in order to turn it off. So let me check, for example, the 10 seconds delay, and let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let me pick, for example, 3 seconds. Actually, we do not have another option, so... And as you can see, the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. So now let's turn off the timer. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.